Hey guys, this trek into DIY tech is gonna be we're gonna dig into the archives for this one. So this video is about four years old at the recording of this video. So yeah, at the recording of this intro, the video I'm about to show you is about 4 years old. So interesting. This is the wooden quadcopter that shows up in the wooden drone 360 camera video. So I'll link to that one so you can check it out. But this is back when I when I really started making drones, and so I wasn't buying the off-the-shelf stuff because I wanted to make it myself, right? DIY. And I was using wood. So which it's something that's not done anymore because now we have carbon fiber and all that stuff. But anyway, the boss is in there and she was very excited because her first time, right, having a drone that close, and it was something that I made. So, and if you note also that I was flying manual, right? So instead of having the position hold and things like that to assist me, which is crazy because I was at this time I was learning how to fly. So I don't know if that helped or hindered my progress in learning. But I was flying manual, and I also had a tether on there. So I had a rope tether on there, which in hindsight may not have been the best thing either. So there's a bunch of stuff going on in this video. I'll just let you watch it and hope you enjoy it. Okay, here we go. Flight test. All PID settings are set. Arming. Okay, arming is good. And here we go. Worst pilot in the history of whatever. Here we go. Oh, man. Okay, anyway, automated takeoff will not be as bad as that, I guess. I'm guessing, because the computer's not as bad as I am. About to bite it right there. Yeah, I'm just giving it too much.
Oh my god!
There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. And I finally got the hang of it. It's out of the camera, but bringing it back in the camera. Trying to get the hover right. Figuring it out, figuring it out, figuring it out. There it is. Try to turn left, turning left, and can't get this throttle right. Okay, I feel like I have to stop the video here because I know you're telling yourself, okay, it's supposed to be a wooden drone, but I see a bunch of PVC pipe there. So in the close-up, what you're going to see is there's a crash or like a roll cage that I built with PVC pipe and insulating foam. That's strapped onto the bottom of this wooden drone. So that's what you're seeing. The white is the PVC, and then all the brown stuff behind that is the actual wooden drone. So there you go. Okay, we're going to try to do a control landing. Oh, that's a little bit more than I wanted, but there you go. Anyway, we got a working drone, right? So let's try this again. Try to do takeoff without crashing here. That is the hard part. That's it. That's it. So the hard part is me. I need more practice, is what it is. All right, there you go. Yeah. So pretty crazy, right? So that was the crazy stuff that I used to get into back then. Not that I'm not doing crazy things now, still. Anyway, I appreciate the time you spend with me. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share, and that way we can keep these videos going. Because I'm enjoying making these videos for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Try to do a control landing. Oh, that's